Okay, let's be real. Have you ever uploaded a video you were really proud of, only to watch it flop because nobody clicked on it? Yeah, I have been there. Do you know that a good thumbnail can literally make or break your video? Yes, what used to take me 20, 30, or even 40 minutes now take me 2 minutes. And no, I'm not a designer, neither am I a Photoshop expert. I'm just using Gemini AI to make my thumbnail. I know you might be wondering how I make this, and this. So in today's video, I am going to show you exactly how beginners, yes, even if you have never made a thumbnail before, you can start creating super clickable and eye-catching thumbnail in just 2 seconds using Gemini. No stress, no complicated tools, just a simple step-by-step method you can follow right after watching this video. So if you are ready to finally get those clicks your video deserve, let's jump straight into it. Just come with me. I'm going to take you on my screen record and show you how you are going to use this Gemini AI to make your videos clickable and you start getting that views and subscribers. Let's dive in. But wait, are you coming with me? Please, all you have to do is very simple. Come over to your YouTube app. Come over to your YouTube app. Once you come over to your YouTube app, let's say you are using the browse feature and you come across a thumbnail. Okay, let's use this one. Let's use this Jazzy Studio thumbnail. So maybe I want to create a video about time to upload on YouTube and I want to make use of his thumbnail. So all we have to do is I'll just screenshot it. Then once you screenshot it, we'll look for another thumbnail that is more eye-catching so that we can recreate. So let's use this one that said you need one video. We'll screen
After 5 months
it.
on YouTube,
Then so let's go with these two. Now once you are done, you come over to your Chrome browser or you come over to your, for those that are using Android, if you are using iPhone, you just come over to your Google, or if you have Chrome browser on your iPhone, you can still use it. So you come over here and type Gemini AI. So once you type, okay, sorry, Gemini AI, you can see it here. Once you type it, you send it and it will open to this interface. Now the very first one you're going to click is this one. If you can still download the app from Google Play Store, I think, but me, I don't have the app. So while we are waiting for it to open, okay, it will open to this particular camera. They say if you are using it for the first time, they will tell you share your camera or screen with Gemini live. So you can try it or you can say no thanks. So I will choose no thanks. So now this is my account, so I will have to click on this particular place because I've been making thumbnail with this Gemini. So these are my chats with Gemini. Before you come over to Gemini, you go to your gallery. So once you come to your gallery, you crop those video, those images, those thumbnail that we have created. We screenshot. So you crop it, then you click on save. Then remember that we'll screenshot to thumbnail. Then the second one is the Jazzy Studio thumbnail. So once you crop it, crop this particular one, then you click on save. So now we already have two thumbnail ready. So I'm making use of this and this one, the new one that we have cropped. So we'll go back to our Gemini. So once you go back to your Gemini, but before you come to your Gemini, you make sure that your thumbnail that you screenshot is cropped. You are ready to use it, because once you leave this Gemini app, you start afresh. Okay, so since I already have a chat with Gemini where I create my thumbnail with Gemini, I have to come over to this chat. Now let me just use this particular chat as the case of this tutorial. Okay, but I will still leave the the prompt that I'm using to do my own um in the description of this video. So if you need a prompt, just go to the description and copy the prompts. So but the prompt is not that much. Yes, I don't want this video to be too long, so that is why. So the next thing you are going to be doing, even though you are using from the, okay, let me just copy the first prompt here. Let's go on a new chart so that we can start from a new chart. So you click on new chart, then it will bring you to this particular place. Now you see what they say, where should we start? Create image, write anything, build an idea, deep search. Now for here, did you see, you when you look at below of this ask Gemini, you see icons. So you see plus, you see this one that looks like, I don't know, front and back. You see this one, but the main one we want to use right now is this plus. This plus is where you are going to be adding your photo, the thumbnail that you cropped. So once you click on this plus, it will take you to you click on the gallery. I don't know what phone you are using, but these are the options. These are the options, the icons you are going to be seeing. Once you click this plus, then it will take you to your gallery. Now once you take it to your gallery, you will see the videos, the thumbnail that we cropped, we screenshot. Then let's start with this one first. Now once you click on the one you want to start with, you click on done. Once you click on done, it's now processing. Now you can now ask Gemini. Now I don't want this video to be too long. I have to paste my prompt here already, so you can still use my prompt here. Now when you look at this video, this image, you can see that I can say please Gemini, remove the man in the picture, the hand, the finger, and the time. If you are not too sure about the time, you just tap on the video. You can see the time, 10 minutes 34 seconds. So you go back, we already have 10 minutes, then 34 seconds. Okay, okay. Now make sure that you just prompt anything, see how the person is on that the thumbnail. All we are making sure is just for us to take out the man, take everything, and leave only the background and the text on the thumbnail. So you have to prompt this Gemini whatsoever you want to prompt it. Just type in any way, just to make sure that the person in that original thumbnail is no more. So make sure you tell Gemini to remove the hand, everything, the head, everything. Okay, but here I say remove the man in the picture, the hand, the finger, and in the thumbnail. So once you click on it, then you can click on it. Yes, okay. Once you click on it, we'll wait for it to process. So while we are waiting for it to process, if you find this video helpful and interesting, do well to hit that subscribe button and give this video a huge thumbs up so that you can get to a whole lot of people. Now this is our result. Can you see now? So in just some minutes you are done. If you are a good prompt engineer, you are done. So this thing now, if you wish to change the background of this particular post, all you have to do is, I don't want to start typing, I'll have to go to my search again and bring what you would type. So you can say change the background. I copy it, I come back. I don't want to start typing to make this video to be too long. Okay, that's why I'm using my already prompt here. So you can say change the background to any color you want, but what I normally use, my usual background color is gradient red and black, and remove all the images in the thumbnail. So since there is no more images, I'll have to remove the images, because all the images has been removed. Because if I click it this time, and this this one will be out, so I don't want it to be out. I need it. So you see, change the
background to gradient red and black. Remove all the okay, change the background to gradient red and black. Okay, so once you are done, then you click on it. It will now change the background to whatsoever color you want to. It's not a must that you can use my color. You just choose the one that you want, the one that you like. Now this is my own. Can you see I'm still making use of that jazzy? But if you still want to make use of this one, no problem. Anyhow, okay, let's just make use of this one that will just remove the man. So all you have to do is to click on the save. Once you click on save, once you click on the save below here, once you click save, you see save below the part of this image. You click on save, you should be downloading the file. Then once it's done, it will tell you image downloaded. Okay, now this particular one, let's still download it just in case. Okay, so once you download it, fine. So you can now go to your gallery and see what we downloaded. Okay, so can you see the image of Jazzy Studio we just removed? Then can you see our new background? So now the next thing we are going to do, when you look at it, you see that our picture is not there. Now what you are going to do is either you come to your InShot, come over to your InShot, or you go to Canva. Okay, let's use our InShot. Once your InShot opens, you just click on the photo because we want to create a thumbnail photo, or you can still use your Canva. So I prefer InShot and also Canva depending on the one I want to use at the moment, or the one that I want to create too, so that my thumbnail can pop up. So let's choose this Jazzy O. Once you click on this Jazzy home to bring the thumbnail over, once you bring it over, then you look for where you look for the icon, the written pip. See, can you see it? Pip. This is like an overlay. So now you look for your photo. Let's say this is the photo I want to apply here. So once you apply it here now, then we are good to go. Just few minutes, you are done. So all you have to do is just to zoom it in, you zoom it out, I don't know, just zoom it so that your face can pop up. Then if you still have something to write attached to it so that it can look a bit different, you just come over to here, look for text, just maybe let's say before you post, watch this. Did you see it? This is how I do my thumbnail, and within seconds I'm done because I'm good in all of this and I already have my prompt already. So all I have to do is just go to YouTube, set everything and all of that. So the same thing applicable to the other thumbnail. Just play around with these things, make sure you play around with it, and trust me, it's going to be working for you. It's working for me, so that is why I have to make this video for you. So if you find this video helpful and educative, don't forget to give it a massive thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and yeah, I will see you in my next video. Please do take care, my darling. Bye.